Hello everyone, and you're watching Bitcoin Bubble news channel. Bitcoin is still going down, but guys, get ready for the worst because this Bitcoin slump might not be over yet. Because of this, we will have to talk about that. When exactly will the price of Bitcoin bottom out? Because yes, Bitcoin is going to have a great chance here. In today's update video, we need to talk about that exact thing and a lot more. Can we get more likes again? If you can get back above 100 likes, that will be great. As always, let's look at what's coming up in the short run. While Bitcoin has been falling sharply in the short term, it is trading over the weekend, so it is more likely that there will be some consolidation around that CME close price. However, keep in mind that we came into this weekend with a lot of volatility, so I wouldn't be surprised if there was a little more volatility over the course of this weekend. As you can see, Bitcoin has been falling below huge levels of support. I've been talking about this level of support throughout this talk. I believe that this week we will be filling up over here if we can't keep up this level of support. And Bitcoin is doing pretty much the same thing right now. This week it's getting full here. Without a doubt, there is a lot of cash sitting below this week. Also, these weeks of cash tend to get full pretty quickly. In the short run, Bitcoin is currently trading in an exponential downtrend and has been falling very rapidly. But when these exponential downtrends start to form, we're usually getting very close to Bitcoin's bottom. When we see sharp drops, that always means we are getting close to the bottom. This means that there might be one more sharp go down. I'll talk about that in a moment, but I think we're going to bottom out very soon. I think we'll be bottoming out when we break this structure over here and go back up. As for the question at hand, the biggest drops usually happen very close to the bottom. Bitcoin is still trading, even though the price is going down on this smaller time frame, 8-hourly time frame, and on this daily time frame as well. Of course, we are trading here instead of this longer term downturn, but we are still moving in a bullish direction toward this downtrend. I would still say that this is a strong consolidation though. For now though, we'll look into what this really is a little later when we talk about that longer time frame. But Bitcoin is right now in the short run, falling below very high levels of support. Of course, we properly bounced from this level over here at the end of this month. Since we are now trying this level as we move it toward resistance, we got continuation. At this level, I think it's more likely that there will be some kind of fix or rejection. But yes, Bitcoin is hitting a big level of support right here, right over here on that daily time frame. But I think this chart over here is going to be the most important thing. As we fill up this liquidity wick that I've been talking about a lot, we will be making a bullish divergence over here. If we can make a daily bullish divergence with a small crash to the lower, that would be the perfect time to buy or sell in the market. A daily positive divergence would be the point at which I would put all of my money into Bitcoin. This is what I've been talking about. Right now, if you can make a bullish divergence on the daily period that fills up this week, that would be the best thing that could happen in the market. So let's check to see if that really is going to happen. In the short term, if there is just one more move to the downside, we might see this bullish divergence form on the daily period. That would be the best case scenario, of course. Anyways, guys, if you're also interested in trading this and making that split, make sure you click on the first link below to get a free trade worth $500. This campaign hasn't been active for a while, but I just started it up again now that Bitcoin is going down because I think this is the best time to claim this free address spot. It will be a free trade worth $500 USD, and you can get it right now by clicking on the first link below. If you create a new account on Bybit and pass KBTC level 1, you can get a free trade that you can use right now on the Bitcoin charts as the price of Bitcoin falls. So yes, this campaign was dormant for a while, but I just turned it back on because I think this is the best time to do it. In any case, there are some interesting things we can see if we zoom out on Bitcoin. To begin with, Bitcoin is still perfectly stable within this band. Also, nothing has changed inside this bull flag over that longer period of time. The bigger trend is still going up. We're currently seeing a perfect consolidation over here. I do think that we will finally break out to the upside and go bullish, but September has been a pretty bearish month. That being said, this wasn't a surprise since September has been the worst month ever for Bitcoin. So yes, September is a down month on average with a 5% drop and a 6.3% drop in the middle. We're down 8.1% right now, but we might see a little bounce later this month. Anyway, let's take a look at something that's really interesting right now. We have been looking at this Gaussian channel over here for a longer period of time, and I think it will be very important. Each and every time we've touched this Gaussian channel for the first time, Bitcoin has made a big move back up. It's being touched again right now over here. Right here, we're beginning to touch it. We just kissed it perfectly over here. I also believe that if we reach this level, we will see at least a 100% increase. That's what the average will be for every cycle when we touch this Gaussian channel for the first time. Anyway, hitting it now will definitely make it look bullish. And even though the market is trading at very high levels of fear right now, I'm going to buy. The majority is going to do one thing, but I'm going to do something else. I'm going to buy something over here. Just so you know, guys, make sure you follow me on Twitter to find out about every new development in the market. I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.